The Shiba Inu coin may not have the exciting price action it had in 2021, but it does have a great deal of community power and many overly optimistic people, and that's a dangerous combination because when the price starts to rise again, when the Shiba Inu coin starts moving up, it will be one of those assets that absolutely has the potential to explode like we've never seen before. Today, I came across a couple of very interesting articles that talk about the calm before the storm and the fact that the Shiba Inu coin is about to skyrocket. Others talk about the fact that the Shiba Inu coin is on the verge of a breakout. I want to go over some of these reasons because at first glance, they may seem like the rampant optimists out there, but they really have some holding power and they really indicate that the Shiba Inu coin could break out, and I want to compare it to what's happening with Terra Luna Classic in the last few days or so because we could be doing the same thing with Shiba very soon. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on June 15th. We know that Terra Luna Classic has had some phenomenal days, rising approximately 30 to 40% in a single day, dropping a little as traders take profits today, but nonetheless, it has had a massive upward movement in terms of the overall cryptocurrency market, as the overall cryptocurrency market is not rising at all. The price of Bitcoin remains stagnant, if not slightly retracing, and Terra Luna Classic is inspiring investors and traders. Shiba Inu could be gearing up to do the same. Let's quickly go over that and then we'll delve into this article. Obviously, we've dipped a bit after the bad news about Binance and Coinbase, but in the end, we're at the same prices as a few months ago. What happened with Terra Luna Classic and, of course, has some fundamentals in place and in the ecosystem in terms of proposals and operations on Binance and so on, but Terra Luna Classic formed multiple lows, double low, triple low, quadruple low, and when the bears couldn't push Terra Luna Classic lower, it started shooting up and rose from a support level to the next resistance level. If we look at Shiba Inu right now, the remarkable thing about Shiba Inu and Terra Luna Classic is that they have relatively similar support and resistance levels. We know that Terra Luna Classic was hovering around 8,000 points per coin, and Shiba Inu is at 800 points per coin. The resistance level in Terra Luna Classic was around 12,000, and the resistance level in Shiba Inu is 1,200 points per coin. If optimistic traders come into play and decide that this support level has held for months and that it's time to test the next resistance level, and if we buy and traders continue to create more demand, we could be testing the 1,200 points per coin. In Shiba Inu, very much like Terra Luna Classic tested that 12,000 points per coin level. From a technical standpoint, yes, Shiba Inu could be, and I have to emphasize the word could because there's nothing guaranteed in finance, on the verge of an upward movement if this support line holds. We have liquidity issues here, and they talk about the fact that in 2021, Shiba Inu had $1.7 billion in total locked value. That's huge, but remember that at its peak, Shiba Inu was worth 10 times more than it is now, so that amount alone would make the figure about 170 million, even if the numbers were relatively the same in terms of Shiba Inu at this time. Due to the value being much higher, that 1.5 billion would be reduced to approximately 170 million. Now, to put it into perspective, the figure is even lower, around 25 million, roughly a quarter or a sixth to a seventh of the amount of Shiba Inu locked at the moment. And it may seem low, but it could simply mean that people aren't as interested in doing stake or something similar. Here's what I want to highlight from this article. Shiba Inu investors show confidence in long-term potential. This is something I agree with. When analyzing on-chain data, a notable pattern among Shiba Inu holders, specifically the so-called whales, is revealed. Over the past few weeks, Shiba Inu whales have steadily increased their holdings in the cryptocurrency, despite the lack of significant price movement. This behavior suggests that the whales are accumulating and holding their positions with the expectation of a potential price increase in the future. This kind of activity can be a positive indicator for long-term investors as it demonstrates a strong conviction in the project and the belief that prices could rise at some point. So, what does all this mean? Well, if Shiba Inu continues to hold this support level, and if the whales keep accumulating, we could see an upward movement at some point in the future. Again, this is not a guarantee. I'm not saying this will happen for certain, but there are some indications that suggest it could be a possibility. And of course, you should always do your own research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions when investing in cryptocurrencies. That's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. On the other hand, it's worth highlighting the showdown between Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platforms, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has openly expressed his willingness to engage in a legal battle with the SEC regarding the platform's cryptocurrency lending program called Lend. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, alleging that it may constitute the issuance of unregistered securities. However, Armstrong defends his position by arguing that the SEC has not provided sufficient regulatory clarity for cryptocurrency companies to operate smoothly in the United States. He points out that the lack of proper guidance has led to a permission first, not forgiveness approach in the cryptocurrency industry. Armstrong states that Coinbase has sought to collaborate with the SEC but has encountered difficulties in obtaining clear answers and specific guidance on regulatory concerns. Despite this, the company is willing to work with the SEC to address any issues and obtain greater regulatory clarity. However, Coinbase is also prepared for a legal battle if necessary. Armstrong is confident that Coinbase will emerge victorious in any legal dispute with the SEC, backing his position with the argument that Coinbase has strived to operate transparently and comply with all existing regulations. This situation underscores the growing tensions between cryptocurrency companies and regulators, especially in the United States. Regulatory uncertainty in the cryptocurrency space has been a constant challenge for companies and investors as laws and regulations are still evolving and not always clear. In summary, Binance and Coinbase are going to fight until the end and prevail against the SEC. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.